Now I am going to teach you chapter 3, playing with numbers. So now we will discuss about your one by one all the points which are related to your chapter 3. Your topic is playing with numbers. The first point is factor. Your first point is factor. So what is factor? Now we will discuss. I think you have learnt about your factor, multiples, perfect number, prime, composite, odd, even. These all are in your previous class. It means your class 5. So once again, you will discuss details about your factor, multiples and all these points. So first point is your factor. So what is factor? A number which is completely divisible or divided by a given number. A number which is completely divisible. It means divided by a given number. A number which is completely divisible by a given number. Example, your factors of your 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So look here, a number which is completely divisible by the given number. It means your 6 is divided by your 1, then your what left? Your remainder? Your remainder is 0. So 1 is the factor of your 6 and 2. This is completely divided 6 by your 2, 3, 6, 0. So your remainder is 0. So 2 is the factor of 6. Not only 2, 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the all are factors of your 6. Okay, one more example. 15. Factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and your 15. These are the factors of 15. Your factors are limited of a number. Factors are limited. So 1 is the factor of your all numbers. 1 is the factor of your all numbers. So factors of your given number is always less than the your given number. Yeah, at most maximum the number itself. Look here, your factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, these are the less than of 6. So only the number itself, this is equal to 6. This is equal to 6. Look here, 15, here 15. This is equal to, but all numbers are 1, 3, 5 are less than the your given numbers. Okay, so this is your about your factor. So now we'll discuss about your multiples. A number, multiples means what? A number which is obtained after multiplying the number itself with your natural numbers. A number, it means multiples of a number is a number A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying by a natural number. A multiple of a number is a number obtaining by multiplying, yeah, obtain by multiplying natural numbers, multiplying it by a natural number. Multiples means a multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. It means suppose that your multiples of your 5 are 5 multiply 1, 5 multiply 2, 5 multiply 3, 5 multiply 4. In this way, look here, this is your given number, and 1, 2, 3, these are your natural numbers. So multiples means your given number multiplying with your natural numbers. So there are infinity number of your multiples, but factors there are limited, but multiples there are unlimited. Your multiples unlimited. So many multiples you can find of a given numbers. Now third point is perfect number. What is a perfect number? Perfect number means a number is said to be a perfect number if it is equal to the sum of its number except the number itself. Your example, suppose that 6. First you find all the factors of 6. What's up? 1, 2, 3, and then 6. Your definition is a number which is equal to the sum of all factors except the number itself. It means now sum of all factors except 6. It means the number itself, 6. What? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. And your number is what? 6. So 6 equal to 6. So 6 is called the perfect number. Your another definition, the twice of the number, twice of a number. It means your number is 6. So twice, twice means 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12. Now sum of all factors is the another method, is the first method. Sum of all factors, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 3, 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Both are equal. Twice the number is equal to the sum of your number. So this is one example. So in this way you can find which numbers are your perfect number. Now next point is your prime number. prime numbers means a number having at least two, no, only number having only two factors. A number having only two factors, only two factors, that is called your prime numbers. Look here, 2. Your factors of 2 what? 1, 2. Factors of 3, 1, 3. Factors of 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 5. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Look here. Here only 2 factors. Here only 2. Here 3 factors. Here 2. And here 4 factors. So this is your prime number. And this also prime. This is prime. And this is not prime. So it means 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. These are your prime numbers. And which type of numbers? That 4 and 6. This is your composite number. This is your composite number. This is composite number. So what is composite number? Just opposite of your prime number. Opposite of your prime number. It means your prime number, it has only two factors. In composite number, number having more than two factors. This is more than two factors. Just like 4 and your 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. This is more than two factors. It means here 4 factors. So this is your composite number. And what is your prime factorization number? Prime factorization means express the number in the product of only prime numbers. Expression of a number in the product of prime numbers. Prime factorization. Now express 16 with the product of only prime numbers. Express the number only the product of prime numbers. Look, 16 with the 2. Look here. 2, 8, 16, 2, 4, 2, 2. These are what? Only prime numbers. Suppose that 15. 3 into 5. Both are prime. These are prime numbers. Suppose that 20. So first you write 4 into 5. This is not 5. Again you write 2 into 2 into 5. So this is the prime factorization of your given numbers. All are clear. Express the number in the product of prime numbers. Now, the test for divisibility of numbers. Generally, when test for divisibility of a numbers means generally we perform your long division method. But now here, without doing your long division method, how to know that your given number is completely divisible or not? So first is 2. First is 2. How can we test your given number is divisible by 2 or not? It means your last digit, if your last digit of a numbers is 0 or even, when the digit at one's place, your last digit is 0 or 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are even. 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. It means you're even. The last digit is 0 or you're even. Your examples. "25. Your last digit is 5. This is not divisible by your 2. So 26. Your last digit is 6. So this is completely divisible by your 2. And 3. The sum of all digits. If sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Your examples. 4, 5, 1. Now do add all the digits. 4 plus 5 plus 1. 4 plus 5, 9, 1, 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. So 451 is not divisible. Suppose that 7 to 0. Now add all numbers. This is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this is divisible root for 3. 3 and 9 same both are. If sum of all digits is divisible by 9, the same as. And now 4. If the number formed by last 2 digits, if the number formed by the last 2 digits, if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the even number is divisible by 4. One example, 9, 8, 2, 0. Your last 2 digits is 20. So 20 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Now, this is 4 and 8, both are equal. If the number formed by the last 3 digits, if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by the same number. Example, 9820. Your last 3 digits is 820. Then 820 is divisible by 8. If this is divisible, then the total number is divisible. Now divide it by your 8, 1, your 8, 2, 0, 8, 2, 16. Your left remainder. It means this number is not divisible by 8. So the given number, it means your 9820 is not divisible by your 8. Okay. Now divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. If last digit is 0 or 5, if last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Your examples. Suppose that 2, 9, 5. This is the last digit is 5. So this is divisible. The 7, 5, 0. So these are the divisible by 5. And the 6. If the number is any given number, if the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. For example, 7, 5, 0. Look here, 7, 5. Your last digit is 0, so is divisible by 2. Now you add 7, 5, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. And 7, 5, 0 is your divisible by your 3. It means here divisible by both 2 and 3. It means 7, 5, 0 is also divisible by your 6. So you can verify it by doing your long division method. 6, 1, 6, 1, 15, 6, 2, 12, and 3, 0, 6, 5, 30. So your rule is, if the given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. On left, your 7, 7, your 10 and 11. Only 3 left. So now your rule is, for 7, difference between twice of last digit from the left number. If difference between twice of last digit from the left number is 0 or 7, then that number is divisible by your 7. For example, suppose that your number is 2, 5, 4. Now test it. This number is divisible by 7 or not. Twice the last digit. Your last digit is 4. Now twice 8. On the left number, it means 25 minus 8. 15. 15 minus your 8. 7, and this is 1. 17. Can 17 is divisible by 7? No. So 2, 5, 4 is not divisible by 7. It means your difference is either 0 or 7. So this is the rule for your 7. And now divisibility by 10. If last digit is 0, if last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 0. Your example, 720, last digit 0, 950. Now for 11, difference if difference between the odd places, the sum of digits in odd places and even places is 0 or multiples of 11. If the difference between sum of digits in odd places and even places is 0 or multiples of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. One example, suppose that 9215. This is your method is sum of digits in odd places. Sum of digits in odd places. Odd places means alternate way. We will add it. If this is one place, first place, second place, third, fourth, in this way. So this is the digits in odd places. 5, 2. So now 5 plus 2, 7, and then sum of digits in even places. It means your 9 plus 1, your 10. Now do it subtract. It means difference. 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is not your 0 or multiples of 11. It means that your difference may be 0 or your multiples of 11. So this is your rules for your 11. It means your test for divisibility of your numbers. Okay, thank you. Now you complete your chapter 3. We will discuss next in next video.